Well, hello everybody. Let's talk about how you would write the equation of a line if you're given a graph. So we've got a graph right here and we're being asked, hey, what's the equation of the line that makes that, right? So if you graph some equation, you get this. What's the equation? Well, look, here's the deal. Your answer is going to look like this. Every single time. If it's a linear equation, your answer is going to look like that. Now, sometimes they ask for standard form, which is this, ax plus by equals c, but if you need an answer in standard form, you start with this anyway. So we'll talk about how to convert between those two in another video, but for now, let's talk about how do you get this equation from here. Now here's the deal. In this equation, that's going to be a number, and that's going to be a number. That will be y, that will be x, always. Now this could be a minus sign, but that's always going to be an equal sign. So you're going to have y equals something times x, and then another number over here. That's our job to figure this out. Now, this number right here is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where our graph crosses the y-axis, right? So this is a coordinate plane. We draw a graph on top of a coordinate plane. So all you got to do is find the number where this line crosses this y-axis right here. Now, this is the origin. It's 0, 0. Up is positive and down is negative. So all we got to do is count. It's 1, 2, 3 down. So that is negative 3. That's our b number right there. So we have a minus 3. The reason it's minus because it was negative. If it was up here at positive 3, that'd be a plus. But it's minus. Okay, so now let's count our slope. Slope, if you remember, slope is rise over run. So it's y over x. It's how far up for how far over. Now, this is going up from left to right. So remember, positive is up from left to right, and a negative slope goes down from left to right. So this one's going up, so it's a positive slope. So I know this will be a positive number here. Now all you got to do is you got to find two places that you can count in between. I know that this right here is, and I know what that right there is. So I'm going to count up, rise, my y, from here to here. How far up do I go? I go up 1, 2, 3. Right? I went up 3. And now, from here to here, how far over do I go? Well, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went 5 over. So my slope is 3 over 5. 3 because we went up 1, 2, 3. And 5 because we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? So you kind of got to eyeball. Where does, if you're starting here, where does this one go, right? So it goes right along there. So you're going to count up to there, and then we're going to count over to here. So from here we count up to there, 3 over 5. So 3/5. And there we go.